provide you a number, and this is what I'm paying. And
I thought that was supposed to explode.
Oh yeah.
I swear that was supposed to explode. Just kept recording.
Wait, put on neutral and you put up the brake. Stop.
Should I roll up the windows? It's fucking hot though.
Ah! I know.
We're getting a free car wash from Phillip. Look at him, car wash. Take the foot off the brake.
Oh. Hands off steering wheel. Okay. Ah! You scared me.
Phillip is crazy. Is that a nigga?
He's a nigga. He kind of look cute.
Where's Phillip? Look at Phillip washing. It's gonna be so hot. Turn that off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Take a picture. Here, take a picture with your camera.
Ah! It's moving.
It does that by itself?
Is the protein shop. The protein
Ah! Okay. Fucking break your window.
Well, you could put an end to that nasty Hollywood sound effect for good and start hearing this one.